Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. If today is your first time, you are welcome. Hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we learn creative styles. And also to my already subscribers, thank you very much for always liking, watching and sharing with others. I appreciate all that a lot. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make this round earring. So stay connected and let's make this together. So these are the materials that we'll be using. We have our bead, our earring, and also spark glue, or you can use any other adhesive. Okay, so in doing this design, it's just very simple. You just put number of the beads onto the earring, and we'll be using the glue to glue it. So just continue watching me how I'm doing it, and I hope you also be able to do it. So after you put a number of the beads to the earring, just start pushing it to the end one by one, then you use the glue to glue it. So as I've done the first one, the next one you just push one bead from the down to the first one you glue, and also add a little of the glue. Continue pushing it until the earring is fully covered with bead. So just continue watching me as I do so. So as you have finished gluing the first set to the earring, what you do is that you open up the earring again and put more of the the beads on it. Okay, we are just doing this to cover up the whole metal side with the bead. So as we have done the first side and the bead we put on the earring is finished, just continue to add more of the beads until it's full. So after adding more, we are going to continue gluing it. So just continue watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time, subscribe, because I have other amazing videos on this channel, and will be posting or uploading more of creative stuffs on this channel. So subscribe and continue watching my video to support me. I appreciate all that you are doing for me. Thank you very much. So continue watching this video. So guys, I'm done with the earring. This is the first one, so you just do the second one the same way we did the first one. So now your earring is ready. You can do this and sell. You can do this and sell, wear yourself or as a gift for a friend or somebody. So it's very good you engage yourself with stuff like this to earn more income or extra income. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.